Hi guys, today we'll be solving the second day problem of March 2021 Late Coding Challenge. The problem's name is Set Mismatch. Let's read the problem statement and understand. You have a set of integers s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the number in s got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of number and loss of another number, which means if we have an array of 1 to 10, so initially it had all the numbers from 1 to 10, but later on due to some issues one number got deleted and the other got duplicated. So which means, for example, if we have 1 to 10, 6 got removed and 5 got duplicated twice. So let's see what do we have to do next. You are given an integer array nums representing the data status of the set after the error. Okay, find the number that occurs twice and the number that is missing and return them in form of an array. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to return the original, we have to check from the original array whatever it was and return the number which is being duplicated in the current array and the number which is missing. So the size of our answer is going to be an array of size 2 because we have to return only two integers, one which is being duplicated and one which is missing. Correct. So first we, in the 0th position, we'll add the number which is being duplicated, which is very easy to find. We can either use another array to check if the number of to check which number is getting duplicated, and the number which is getting duplicated we'll add it in the first position of the result array, or we can either create a set and accordingly find out what number is getting duplicated. In the second position of the result array, we have to find the number which is missing, which we can either do using the set method, or we can either do using XOR operator. So here we will be using the set method in both the scenarios. Now let's see the examples and understand it better. The input is given nums, which is the array after the error has occurred, is 1, 2, 2, 4. So here the number which is getting duplicated is 2 and the number which is missing is 3. Correct? Okay. So in the example 2, the input array nums is 1, 1. So the number which is duplicated is 1 and the number which is missing is 2. So I have the code here, let's read it and code it again. So okay, so we are given an array nums and we have to return an integer of size 2. So let's make an array of size 2. Now we'll create a hash set of integers. Let's call it set is equals to new. Now we'll look through the error wala array and find out which number is present in the set, which will get duplicated and which is occurring for the first time. If it already contains num of I, we will continue. Wait, if it is already present, we'll add it in the result dot 0th position. Or else we'll add it in set. Correct. So now we have the 0th position. Now to find out which number is missing, we'll iterate again starting from 1 equal to the nums dot length and check if set doesn't contains I So if the set doesn't contains I, we'll add it to the result, second position, and then we'll return result. Let's see. Okay, sorry. It should be integer, not integers. I'm sure there will be many errors. I'm sorry. Just bear with it. Oh god, what is that? Huh. Okay, why is that? Oh yeah, because we have been continue before. So I think this will work. Yep. So it is accepted. So again, let's go over the problem again to understand it better. So we have to return a result of size 2, because in the first position we'll return the number which is getting duplicated, and in the second position we'll add the number which is missing. So we'll create a hash set called set here, and we'll iterate through the whole nums array which is given, which is an array obtained after the error has occurred. And if the set already contains a number, we'll add it to result.0, as in the 0th position of the result, which has other number which are being duplicated. So in that position we'll have the number, and or else we'll add it to the set, append it to the set, so that the set has all the unique values. In the to fill the second part of the question, we iterate through nums.length again, because as we have seen, the nums contains only a number starting from 1 to the numbers till the length of the nums. So if the number starting from 1, the array nums should contain 1 and 2. So the length is 2, so that is why the number should contain numbers till 2. So here if the set doesn't contain the number which we had already iterated through before, so we'll add I to results first position, and then we return the result. I hope you guys understood the problem, and I'll add the link in the description if you want to try it on your own, and if you have any other methods you can let me know. Thank you. See you tomorrow.